If you love mind-bending science, get ready, because today, we're questioning reality itself. From apples floating to time rewinding, a world with temporary physics laws would be wild. Could the universe even survive? Let's dive into the possibilities and the chaos that could unfold if reality had an expiry date. Before we break reality, let's understand what we're dealing with. The laws of physics, gravity, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, these aren't just suggestions. They're the fundamental rules that govern everything from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. For 13.8 billion years, these laws have remained constant. But what if they're not as permanent as we think? Some physicists are starting to wonder, could the universe be running on borrowed time? The idea isn't as crazy as it sounds. Some theories suggest that physical constants might actually be variables, slowly changing over cosmic timescales. Scientists have even found hints that the fine structure constant, a fundamental number in physics, might have been slightly different in the early universe. If that's true, what else could change? And more importantly, what happens when these changes accelerate? Imagine waking up tomorrow and gravity just stops working properly. Not completely gone, that would be instant death, but fluctuating wildly. One moment you weigh normal, the next you're pressed to the floor with crushing force. The oceans would become chaotic. Tides wouldn't follow the moon. They'd follow the whims of unstable gravity. Animals would be helpless. Evolution never prepared them for this. But gravity's just the beginning. What if time itself became unreliable? Imagine experiencing your morning in reverse, then fast-forwarding through lunch. Some people stuck in slow motion while others blur past at impossible speeds. Plants would bloom and die in endless loops. Seasons would become meaningless. And how do you measure anything when your measuring tools exist in different time streams? Now let's talk about electromagnetism going rogue. Every electronic device would become unpredictable. Your phone might work perfectly 1 second, then explode the next. Static electricity could become deadly. Lightning could strike upward. But here's the terrifying part. Electromagnetic forces hold atoms together. If those forces become unstable, matter itself could start falling apart at the molecular level. In a world of temporary physics, could life even exist? Our biology depends on consistent chemical reactions. Photosynthesis, respiration, digestion, all would become impossible if chemistry kept changing. Complex life would likely be the first casualty. Maybe simple organisms could adapt. Bacteria that thrive in extreme conditions. Humans might survive temporarily in sealed environments. But for how long? While this sounds like science fiction, real physicists study these possibilities. The multiverse theory suggests infinite universes with different physical laws. Some evidence hints that physical constants might vary across space and time. String theory proposes that what we call constants might actually be dynamic fields. Astronomers are actively searching for signs of changing physics in distant galaxies. If physics laws are temporary, it changes everything we think we know about reality. Are we living in a brief moment of cosmic stability? Is our entire existence just a lucky accident in an otherwise chaotic universe? Maybe the universe is far stranger and more dynamic than we ever imagined. And maybe that's exactly what makes it so fascinating to explore. So while we can't know if physics laws are truly permanent, we can appreciate how remarkable it is that they've been stable long enough for complexity, consciousness, and curiosity to emerge. What do you think? Could we survive in a universe with changing physics? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the impossible, subscribe for more mind-bending science content. Until next time, keep questioning reality.